Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Children, in previous class we have completed lesson number 6, games we play. Yes? And next lesson, 7th lesson is not there in your syllabus. Okay, now we are going to learn 8th lesson children. All of you take out page number 31. Okay? What is the lesson name children? Caring for plants and animals. Caring for plants and animals. Okay. Surrounding us, we see many number of plants, many kinds of plants, many kinds of trees. Yes? And we see all the different types of animals like dogs, cows, buffaloes and all. Cats and all. Yes or no, on the streets when we are passing on the way, we are seeing different kinds of plants and animals. Yes? Okay. All of you see page number 31. Everybody look into your textbooks. Okay. On the way to school, we see many plants and animals. Yes. Okay. Do they have a family like us? Children, do they have a family like us? Yes or no? Plants does not have any families. Isn't it? Okay. Who do they belong to? Plants family. They does not belong to any of the special persons or anything. Okay, they are just there on the roadsides. Yes or no? Okay. Next, all of you see remembering part children. We have learned about the different places. Okay, we have learned about the different D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T different places, P-L-A-C-E-S places in our surroundings. Surrounding spelling what? S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-I-N-G-S. S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-I-N-G-S. Surroundings. Okay children? So what are the different types of places we have? Can you tell? We can have like school, church, temple, yes, playground, parks. Okay, there are different kinds of places. Yes, and so next one we are going to learn about the plants and animals. Okay children, now let us discuss. D-I-S-C-U-S-S. Discuss the plants and animals. The plants and animals we find in our surroundings. We find in our surroundings. Understood children? Next, see, we find different types of plants around us. Yes, different means many. Different types. Not a single type. There are different types. Okay, different types of plants we see around us. Okay, we see plants in gardens. Where we will see plants? We see plants in gardens. G-A-R-D-E-N-S. Gardens. Parks. P-A-R-K-S. Parks. And along roadsides. A-L-O-N-G. Along roadsides. R-O-A-D. Road. S-I-D-E-S. Sides. Roads. Okay. Some people spelling S-O-M is some, P-O-P-L-E people. Okay. Some people also keep plants. Also, A-L-S-O, also, K-E-E-P, keep, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Some people also keep plants inside their houses. I-N-S-I-D-E, inside their, T-H-E-I-R, their, H-O-U-S-E-S. Yes or no? We are only take example. We are planting trees in our houses. Yes or no? In our school also we plant many types of trees. Yes or no children? Yes? Okay. Some people also keep plants inside their houses. People, farmers children. When we take example farmers, what they will do? They will grow crops in their fields. Yes? Okay. See. People, farmers spelling F-A-R-M-E-R-S, farmers. Also, A-L-S-O, also. Grow, Grow. Grow some plants, SOME. Some plants, PLANTS. Plants as crops. As crops, CROPS. Crops in their, THEIR. They fields, FIELDS. Fields. Okay children, farmers also grow some plants as crops in their fields. Means what crops? Why they are growing crops? We are eating rice. Daily we are eating rice, dal and all. How we are getting all these things children? Yes, you can say that we are buying from the market. Yes. How they are coming? Okay, market people, in market they are selling. Yes, it is right. How they are getting that? When you grow a crop, then we have to take the paddy and all from the crop. Yes, without crop, no paddy is there. So what the farmers are doing? They are growing crops in their fields. Okay, they are gathering full paddy, rice and all, and they are selling in the market. Okay, from the market we are buying. Did you understand? So farmers are main roots of our nation. Understood? Without farmers, we can't get food children. We have to respect farmers. Yes or no? I think many of you might have fields in your villages. Yes? Have you gone into that fields and all? Have you any time observed the fields, crops and all? Yes? Have you observed? If you have not observed, if you go to villages, just go and observe the fields in your village. Okay, how the crops they have grown. Okay children? And you will get point. How we are getting rice, dal and all. Understood children? Okay, see. People, farmers also grow some plants as crops in their fields. For example, wheat, rice and so on. We can also find many different plants in the forest. Okay, different spelling children. DIFFERENT. Different means many kinds. Okay, many kinds of plants in the forest. Have you ever grown into forest? You can't imagine how many kinds of trees will be there. There are different kinds of trees. Okay, the tall trees will be there in the forest. Okay children. Next, different types of plants. Okay, first one. What is this first one? Plants in a garden. Plants in a garden. And next one, plants in a house. How we are planting plants in our house? In gamlas and all. Yes, in house, plants will be like this. We will grow plants like this in gamlas and all. Okay, and this one, roadside plants. Yes, while we are walking on the roads, we are seeing many types of plants. Yes, this is roadside plants. Okay, and what is this? Plants in a field. In fields, plants will be grown like this. Okay, and next this one is forest children. Forest trees. Okay, in forest there will be tall trees. Understood? Okay, see next one. We also see different types of animals around us. We see plants around us, I told you. Like that, we'll see different types of animals also. Okay, some are found on the streets. For example, dogs, cats and cattle. Yes, some animals can be seen at the zoo. Have you ever gone to zoos? Yes, in zoo we'll see different kinds of animals. Yes or no? Okay. For example, monkeys, bears and so on. Yes, we will see giraffe. Snakes also will be there in the zoo. Yes or no? Have you seen children? Once you have to go to zoo and observe different types of animals. Okay, elephant, giraffe and all. Different kinds of animals will be there in the zoo. Fish and ducks. Animals like fish and ducks are seen in and around lakes and ponds. What is the spelling of around? AROUND. Around. Okay. Animals like frogs, F-R-O-G-S, frogs. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. And ducks, D-U-C-K-S, ducks, are seen, S-E-E-N, seen, in and around, A-R-O-U-N-D, around, lakes, L-A-K-E-S, lakes, A-N-D, and ponds, P-O-N-D-S, ponds. Okay. So here animals like frogs, fish, ducks and all we will see around lakes, ponds and all. Okay. Frogs, fish and ducks are seen in and around lakes and ponds. You can see birds and squirrels also. Yes. Squirrels where we will see? On the trees. Yes. Birds also will see on the trees. Yes or no? Okay. Cows, goats and buffaloes. Cows, goats and buffaloes are some animals that we see on farms. We see on farms or fields. Okay. Some animals are found in forest. What are forests? Otherwise called jungle. J-U-N-G-L-E-S. Jungles. Forest spelling for children, F-O-R-E-S-T-S. Okay. We see some animals in forests, that is jungles. Okay. For example, what are the examples, children? Elephants, lion, tiger, leopard, deer. Okay. All wild animals will see in forests. Okay. Next. See these pictures, children. Dogs and a cow on the street. We find dog, cows on the street. Next one. Bear at zoo. In zoo we will see bear. Okay. Here animals at home. Means pet animals. We will tame animals. Isn't it? Cow, buffaloes. What does cow, buffalo and all give us? They give us milk. Yes or no? Okay. They are domestic animals. Cows and buffaloes are domestic animals. And likewise, we will tame animals like cat and dog also. Yes or no? Children, dog guards our home. Yes? Okay. What is this? Ducks in a pond. Ducks in a pond. Next one. What is this, children? Tiger in a zoo. We see tiger in the jungle. We see tiger in the jungle. And this one is cattle in a field. Cattle in a field. Okay, children. So we have completed our remembering part. So today we have to once go through full remembering part. Okay, remembering part of 8th lesson. After here, you have to read once. Okay, this is your homework. Thank you. Have a